So here's my SR20 COVID. Apparently it gets affected by engines as well because this thing blew up during COVID, or right in the beginning of COVID, and I rebuilt it during COVID. So it's a fully built SR20 with a big top mount turbo on E85. Pretty much it's almost ready, honestly. Plumbed up all the oil lines and just a few little minor things, and we should get this puppy up and running. So this is a Garrett GT30. I believe it's the second version. I went ahead and mocked everything up and everything looks like it's good to go. Everything's installed, the spit pipe, turbo down pipe, bolted all the water lines, clocked it, and now the only thing that I am missing is the oil drain for the SR20 turbo down pipe. So we'll get on that next.
And that's our 2008 Corolla.
It's in the works, the new drift build. Wide body.
LS in it.
Be sticking the LS in there. This is the next project we got going on. 5.7 LS1.
Yeah, and funny enough, the 4-banger that's going out of this Corolla is going into that 240 in the back. And we're converting that 240 to front-wheel drive. It's going to be a grip car.
Projects on projects, baby.
And it's also going on bag. We have the compressor right here.
That's the one you're gonna install in the trunk or what?
Yeah, so it's gonna be laid out.
Cool dog.
He's getting that look off too. Hey, does that look at Matto's penises like you did?
Huh?
Does that look at Matto's penises like you did?
I don't know, but you already fucking wrote hella penises all over my fucking cars, you bastard. Oh my god.
Well, there's another nice schlong.
Oh my god, this guy loves driving penises all over my car. I'll show you his artwork over here. Never right. I don't know why I never took it off, but we're just gonna leave it there till the car's done, I guess. Fucking hate these dogs, dude. I swear they do that shit on purpose. Like they know because I lay here, they fucking choose to pee on here. Bastards.
What the fuck are you wearing glasses? Ah, it's not even sunny.
What do you mean? Because I'm gonna cut some things, bro. What do you mean? You got safety first.
Those are sunglasses.
It's okay. You gonna work its purpose?
What the fuck?
Dude, what's wrong with my glasses? Lift it up, lift it up. Alright, we're good. Alright, so this thing's almost finished and installed. The only thing I need is a turbo downpipe, and I've been having issues with installing it since this is the PTFE hose. It's really stubborn and not flexible at all. So let's see if we can cut it a little bit. Is it bolted on? Oh, it is. Ow. Let's see. Hey, can you do me a favor, bro? Can you pull that bag out of piss? These fucking dogs just love peeing on.
Damn, man, what the hell?
I know. They do it on purpose because they know that I fucking lay on it. Thank you. It looks like oil, huh?
Yeah.
Fucking. No, there's no oil in the car yet. Alright, I'm gonna get under there. Hope there's no piss. And pull it out, please. You see it? Yeah, you see it? Yeah, pull it out. It's so much easier with two people. Yeah, pull it completely out. There it is. Very good. Thank you. So what the fuck's wrong with my glasses?
Fucking
I don't like my glasses. You gotta work in style, baby.
Nigga, there's no sun now.
It's all good.
It's all fucking.
Alright, so check this out. This hose is too long. there's no real way of measuring it, so I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut like an inch.
You need better light.
I'm gonna cut like an inch or so, and then we're gonna remock it up and then see where we're at. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and connect the sensor. From what I understand, you can go ahead and install it on this oil block that I have on there, since it's the same fitting, or it can be installed on this side, which is the Tomy. You just would have to disconnect the OEM one and then connect this aftermarket one. But since we're running these lines on this side, the water temps on this side, I figure I might as well run it through here. That way I have the lines running through the same way and it'll just look cleaner. So yeah, let's go ahead and start taking that off. Okay. Off with that. Clean it off a little bit. Let's go ahead and install this bad boy. It's hard doing this with one hand. Okay. Let's try a different. Let's switch off. Okay, let's see. Oh, there it is. Is it going at an angle? Sounds good. Just a little bit more. Get my hand in there. Let's try this side. Let's try going through here. That's a lot better. So I was gonna go ahead and just install these coil packs. Good thing I didn't. I don't know why. Something told me that I should take off the spark plugs and recheck them. And good thing I did, because this one ended up being cracked. But yeah. So I just came back from the parts store. And I got one new spark plug. Went ahead and installed them and torqued them down to about 20 pounds. It says anywhere from 14 to 22. So I went ahead and did 20. Should be good. Now let's clean these bad boys up and install these coil packs. So I believe we're done for the day. Pretty much got the valve cover nice and tightened up. Got the spark plugs in there. Got the coil packs, connected everything. Connected the ground. Also connected the O2 sensor. And then apart from that, played around with the wastegate. And I think how I'm gonna run it, it's just gonna be something like this, just because I wanted to hide under here with this heat shield. That way it doesn't get burnt or anything like that from the turbo. Also, I need to order a turbo jacket. But yeah, everything looks good. Everything's all set up, ready to go. Everything's connected. I just need to organize it, zip tie it, make it look all nice and pretty. Apart from that, I just ordered some 5/8 heater hose and then a 3/8 hose for the brake booster to the intake. Top off the coolant, and then after that, just the transmission fluid, and that's pretty much it. I believe we're able to start it. Apart from these old clamps that I have, I got the new ones. I just found them, but these are temporarily. But yeah, everything's looking good. Hopefully I can start it up this week and get it up and running.